how much money does YouTube actually pay me? What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today we have a little bit of a different video. We're actually going to be speaking about how much money I make on YouTube. Now, I really want to get it out there from the beginning. I have thought long and hard about making this video. To be honest, I don't really want to make it because a lot of people are going to take it as me trying to flex or brag, and it really isn't that way. In the past, I've always been so interested in these videos on YouTube. I've always been so interested on how much money people actually do make on YouTube. And when I first got monetized, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I said on the channel that I will always be open about how much money I make. And it was very easy for me to be open back then because I was making a very small amount of money. I mean, euros, a few euros every single day, far less than minimum wage. Now I am actually making decent money on YouTube, okay, I'll put it that way. And again, I really don't want to come across as arrogant. This has never been about the money. I just know it's a really interesting topic. So please don't think I'm arrogant for making this video. I get asked to do it multiple times every single day. And in the past, I've always said I'll be open about how much I make, so I kind of have to make the video. And as well, we very recently just hit 20,000 subscribers, so it seems like a good time to do it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be honest, I'll show you exactly what I make pretty much every single day on YouTube, how it started, how it's grown, etc. I will also give you guys an idea of just how much work actually goes into this channel, because if you don't create content, if you don't create videos, you don't know what goes on behind the scenes, and it is a lot more work than you might expect, in all honesty. But again, please don't take this as a flex. Again, I kind of feel bad making this video, but the people want it. So right before we get into it, can you please hit that juicy like button, because I'm already cringing at myself making this video, so a like would be greatly appreciated. Please, if you're new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. It's completely free. You can join the family. We upload about 10 videos every single week around here. And please do drop me a comment down below. Just let me know what you think of the video. All of those things help me out massively and are completely free. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. So guys, here we are, okay? The first day I got monetized was right here, April 21st, 2020. And you can see that the first day I got paid on YouTube, I made a whole whopping $1.94, okay? To put that into perspective, yesterday we made $310.26. So right now I'm showing you from April 21st to August 8th, because this has been the entire time I have been monetized on the channel. So this is exactly how much I've made since April 21st on YouTube. $10,359. We've gone up 19,000 subs, 107,000 hours watch time, and 1 million views. So for me, 1 million views loosely translated to just over $10,000. You can see that the monetary growth on YouTube for me has been very exponential. Okay, so we started off with $1. We had lots of 7, 5s, we had some 10s, 20s. My first big day, I remember this day so well, okay? I made $71, guys, and let me tell you, this was a turning point for me in the channel, okay? I know it's only $70, okay? But this made me realize that this could become a career, because in my head I thought, if I can make $70 every single day, because keep in mind that YouTube, you get paid every single day. It's not 5 days a week. So I thought, you know, I could be looking at $490 here. So in euro, at the time, that was about €450 a week. Minimum wage in Ireland is about €350 or so. So that would have actually been a decent little wage. So this day here, April 30th, was really a transformative day for me, okay? Because I did believe just how much potential YouTube had. And then, you know, we go back to $12, some $20, $30 days, and never was it even about the money, guys. Like, I've said this in all of my previous videos, I just love this so much, and the fact I have been able to turn it into a job puts a smile on my face every single day, people. So you can see we just kept going. Not much really happened. You know, we made an average of maybe $10 to $30 for a decent bit of time, a month or so. And then we started to make a little bit more, okay? So there was more $30, $40, $50 days, a lot of $60 days. I remember this day so well, June the 7th, pretty much my first $100 day. And I thought, that is absolutely insane. I can make $100 a day on YouTube. And now looking back on that, it's crazy. And then, you know, you get that once and it becomes addictive, and you somewhat do keep going up and up. So for a long time then, I was making maybe $70 a day. That might have been somewhat average, okay? That might even be a little bit generous. Now this is where things got real. July 4th, okay? This is when I went full-time on YouTube. This is when I quit my job to pursue YouTube full-time. This is where things really got taken up a notch, guys. And that was my first $100 day. And let me tell you, that felt absolutely incredible. I had just finished my job. It was July 4th. I had double uploaded and we broke $100, and I thought to myself, I've made the right decision. I remember telling my mom and dad, I was like, look at this. Everybody was so happy, myself included, my girlfriend, everybody was so proud, and it felt really good. Now again, I know to a lot of people $100 is nothing, you know, it's pocket change, and I appreciate that. But I also know to a lot of people, being able to make that much money every single day would be amazing. And I am one of those people. I spend very little money on a weekly basis, guys, okay? I wouldn't necessarily call myself a minimalist, you know, I buy nice food, I don't save every single penny, but I don't spend much money at all. The next day, guys, we nearly got $200. And again, let me tell you, when I made that much money, when I made pretty much $300 in 2 days, I thought, this is disgusting. This is absolutely disgusting money. That is genuine, I thought, okay? Now, those were the weekends, and I started double uploading Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You'll see my money chart. We have big spikes, big downs. That's because I double upload during the weekends. There's more people on during the weekends, etc., etc. But anyway, from there, you know, $100 days became the normal. Saturday, $215 day. Sunday, we had a $250 day. And then it trickles back down during the week. But in general, now we were making far, on average, in excess of $100 a day. Then this happened. $209, $262 the next day. $380 the next day. Over the span of a weekend, I had made about $850, which for all the people in Ireland, I'm sure a lot of you guys are watching this, let's even call that just above 720-ish euro. The average wage in Ireland right now is about 39,000 euro. And I live in a cheap part of the country to live, to say the least, okay? Dublin is the most expensive by far. The big cities are the most expensive by far. Where I live, relatively cheap cost of living, guys. So, to say that this felt absolutely amazing, I can't even describe how happy I felt, because I realized that I had made the right choice, okay? I took a massive risk. I left my full-time job, which was a good job, to pursue YouTube. A lot of people thought I was crazy, guys. An awful lot of people did. There was very few people who believed in me at this stage. And so when I started seeing this kind of money come through, it genuinely felt absolutely amazing to me. And then since then, it's all been good. There's only been one day since then where we haven't made $100. There's an awful lot of $200 and $300 days. It's good, let's just put it that way. As I said, yesterday, $310. Yesterday, I didn't even upload, and we're probably about to make $140 to $150. So a day I didn't do anything, we're going to make that much money. It is mind-blowing still. So altogether, YouTube has paid me $10,359, and that is since April 21st. Now, the last 28 days, guys, this is where the exponential growth on YouTube comes in. $6,000 in 28 days. Still absolutely mind-blowing to me. Again, for anybody who uses euro, that is nearly 5,100 euro in a month. This is more than 3 times what I was making in a month before I was on YouTube full-time. I'll put it that way. So, it has been nice. And again, it's an extremely exponential industry. Subscribers up 8,700 in the last 28 days. Views, we got 500,000 views in the last 28 days. Remember, since I got monetized, we had just about 1 million views. So more than half of that came in the last 28 days. Monthly estimated revenue right here, okay? April, next to nothing, okay? May, again, it's not very much at all. June, that is, you know, that's a wage. I could easily survive off that money, no problem whatsoever. July, things got real. So $5,200, yeah, that to me is a lot of money. Again, everybody's in a different financial stage of life. To me, that's an awful lot of money. August so far, $1,900. That is based off of 8 days because YouTube revenue uploads a day later. So $1,900 in 8 days. Actually, it was over $1,900 in the last 7 days because, you know, it's delayed by a day. So yeah, $1,900 in a week. Again, for me, that's a lot of money. In a week, I've earned more than what I used to make in a month, people. And now I am doing something that I absolutely love to pieces. Now, this also doesn't include any of the money that I made from merch. And it was a much better launch than I actually expected, in all honesty. I don't want to show exactly what I made from merch just yet. Maybe I will in the future, okay? But let's just say that in the first 24 hours, it was about $500 of profit. So in the last 7 days, if you include merch, we're up more about $2,400 in a week, which again to me is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, as I've uploaded more and more on YouTube as well, the amount I've actually gotten paid per 1,000 views has gone up big time as well. So we can see if we go back to even 90 days ago, I was getting 11, 15, 12, 13s, 14s. I was getting between maybe $11 to $14 per 1,000 views on average. That's before YouTube takes their cut. Now we are up, we're always above $20 pretty much. The large majority of the time we're above $20 per 1,000 views. So I am getting paid about 50% more per 1,000 views now for no reason in particular. And you can see that in the last 7 days our playback based CPM is just above $20, and our RPM, which is how much I actually get paid directly to me per 1,000 views, is currently at $12.65. So CPM, that's not how much I get paid per 1,000. RPM is how much I get paid per 1,000. So guys, let's say we made $6,000 in the last 28 days. In those 28 days, I took 0 days off. 0 days off whatsoever. In those 28 days, I've uploaded 43 videos. The average video for me to make is really tough to gauge, but recording and editing alone would probably take me 3 to 4 hours. Research can take anywhere from an hour to 8 hours. I spend about 2 hours a day replying to comments and replying to Instagram DMs. Easily, I would put an average of 8 to 10 hours in every single day, weekends included, on YouTube. So even if we say I do 9 hours, 7 days a week, that would be 63 hours. That would total 252 hours of work over the last 28 days. So let's even just call it 250. My estimated revenue is $6,008. It would give me about $24 an hour is what I'm getting paid. Now again, it is really hard to gauge just how much work I do. There are certain weeks that are definitely more than 80 or 90 hours. Certain weeks could only be 50 or 60. It really does depend on the videos I'm making. But let's say I made about $24 an hour for every hour of work I've done over the last 28 days. It's decent. So YouTube ad revenue alone is bringing me in more than enough money, okay? It's bringing me more than I need right now by far. That should be exponential as well, okay? It still blows my mind to say that, but that should go up quite quickly every month or so. That is just the nature of YouTube. As you get more subs, as you get more viewers, as you get more people watching your content, the revenue goes up. And in general, on YouTube, you only get more and more popular. That is how it generally works. There are other avenues for me to make money as well, okay? The first one I ever introduced was this merch, okay? And as I said, thank you all so much for the support. We sold more than I expected to, but yeah, I'm just really happy. And as well with the merch, this is something I've wanted to do. I said it in my video earlier on, since I was about 16. I always wanted to have my own clothing line. So obviously it's nice to make money, but this was, you know, a dream of mine for a while now. It's sick to just have my own merch out there. I'm wearing it right now. When I see other people start to wear this, it's going to be crazy. And for the record, I will be constantly bringing new designs to this website every couple of months. I'm already in speaks with a graphic designer. The next hoodie I want to bring out, I want it to just be a little bit more casual, okay? Because I know a lot of people might not want this logo on a hoodie. I'm thinking of just a crest logo next time. But anyway, the next source of revenue I am going to be bringing in, again, which will be funded via YouTube, will be a Patreon, where people will be able to pay me an amount of money every single month for access to a private Discord server. And in that server, we're going to build a community that I am genuinely so excited about, where we can all help each other out. I'm going to have my buy and sell alerts in there. I'm going to have chats for all of the individual companies we speak about on this channel regularly. Your workhorses, your Teslas, your Virgin Galactics, all of the really popular ones on this channel. And that way we can all come together and share useful information with each other. So you don't just have to wait for me to make a video. Constantly you will be getting value from each other. And there will also be free channels in there so that absolutely everybody can join and join the discussion. But there will be just an extra level of quality for people who are willing to pay, because at the end of the day, it's a service. Then there are other things down the line like sponsorships. I don't think I've spoken about this on the channel. I have got a couple of sponsorship opportunities before. None of them which I was willing to take, okay? I've had a few people ask me to do paid videos for them. The videos they wanted didn't necessarily fall in line with my values. I've also had offers from 2 different brokers asking for a promotional video. And again, it just didn't fall in line with what I wanted. I mean, I love money. I think everybody on this channel loves money. But my integrity is much more important than a quick buck for advertising a service that I don't necessarily believe in. But I do most definitely want to have sponsorships down the line, okay? That's how YouTubers make a lot of money. It would be silly not to take them when the right deal does pop up. But now I'm getting to a stage when you're at 20,000+ subs, you are going to start having companies reach out to you. But I don't want to advertise just anybody for the sake of some extra money. That does not sit right with me. And let's just say I definitely have passed up on at least potentially a couple $1,000s worth of sponsorships at this stage, but it's fine to me. I would rather the integrity that comes with not selling out. There is also things like affiliate marketing. You ever look in the description box and YouTubers have links to their cameras, their microphones, things like that. People make a lot of money off that, okay? I just haven't introduced it yet. I might do one day, but right now, I'm not too worried about it, to be honest. But honestly, guys, I think that is where I'm going to leave this video. I really do hope I didn't come across as arrogant in this video, because I really don't want to, but I have made promises in the past. I will always be open about what I'm making, so here I am following up on those promises, despite the fact I feel a little bit dirty for doing it. Again, if you did enjoy and you would like to support me completely for free, please do hit that like button, drop me a comment, and subscribe if you're new around here, because those things do help me out so much, as you guys just saw. I genuinely, though, do feel so incredibly blessed to be in this position that I'm in right now. Like, I don't take it for granted. I get so excited about this opportunity every single day, and I genuinely think I will forever. I don't know how long this YouTube gig is going to last, but I'm going to enjoy every moment that I have with you guys until it's done. So again, thank you all so much for watching until the end. Hopefully you can appreciate the honesty. I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day. I will see you for tomorrow's video. Peace.